Ava, what are you doing? What are you eating? What are you eating? What is that? Cracker? Yeah. Where's your nose, Ava? Where's your head? Where's your ears? Where's your teeth? Where's your belly? Belly. Where's your hands? Yep. Where's your feet? Yay! Where's your eyes? Hi. What's on your shirt? Cereal. Can you say, I love you, Mommy? Love you. Jump? Ava said bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Mommy. Alright, no, we're taking a video. Back up so I can see you.